Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The issue at hand involves trying to replace a string in Sed which contains special characters like and $, and we're encountering a bit of difficulty, especially with the symbol causing some trouble. It seems like a straightforward task, but sometimes these special characters can throw a wrench into our plans, right? Now, moving on to the solution that I provided earlier. The key lies in understanding how to properly escape the special characters within the string we want to replace. Specifically, in the snippet. And quote, $target underscore part equals $mimc underscore part 2 end quote. We need to pay close attention to the syntax in order to make the replacement seamless and accurate. Remember, precision is key when dealing with these special characters. Taking a closer look at the code snippet, part equals 5 echo, end quote, $target underscore part equals $mimc underscore part 2 end quote, set r end quote, s equals backslash mmc underscore part, backslash $1 part backslash 2g end quote. We can see that each element plays a crucial role in achieving the desired outcome. By breaking down the command step by step, we ensure that every component aligns perfectly to bring about the correct substitution in the string. Next up, let's focus on the specific transformation we aim to achieve in the code. End quote, $target underscore part equals $mmc underscore part 5 end quote. By honing in on this particular alteration, we refine our understanding of how the Sed command operates and how it interacts with the string elements to produce the intended result. Each part of the code contributes to the final output, emphasizing the intricacies involved in string manipulation. Continuing with our exploration of the solution, we now turn our attention to the command echo, end quote, $target underscore part equals $mc underscore part 2 end quote. Set r is equals backslash $mc underscore part backslash $1 part backslash 2g. This command encapsulates the culmination of our efforts, demonstrating the seamless integration of variables and string manipulation within the Sed environment. By dissecting this command, we unravel the nuances of the Sed syntax and its impact on the string replacement process. In summary, we've delved into a perplexing Sed string replacement problem, unraveling the complexities of handling special characters like and $. Through a meticulous examination of the provided solution, we've uncovered the precise steps required to navigate these challenges successfully. Remember, attention to detail and a firm grasp of Sed syntax are essential in overcoming such obstacles. Well, that's all for today's video. Remember to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!